Read me.
Positive thinking changes your life. Positive thinking can have a significant impact on your life. When you adopt a positive mindset, you tend to see things in a more optimistic light, which can help reduce stress and anxiety, boost your mood, and increase your overall well-being. Positive thinking can also improve your relationships with others, as people tend to be drawn to individuals who radiate positivity and optimism. It can also help you become more resilient in the face of challenges and setbacks, allowing you to bounce back more easily and learn from difficult experiences. Overall, practicing positive thinking can lead to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life.
Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.